about some spices name. This is black cardamom, cumin seed, clove, mace, black pepper, nutmeg, cinnamon stick, bay leaf. These are the names of spice. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdulillah. This is social science homework. Here are some Tunisian spices. This is black pepper. These are cinnamon sticks. This is paprika. These are cloves. These are
You can check from the paper, no problem. What's this?
cardamom.
Very
Cardamom.
nice.
This is cumin.
Mm-hmm.
This is ginger.
Excellent.
This is anise.
Show us. Nice smell.
This is turmeric.
Okay.
This is coriander.
Coriander. Mm-hmm.
And last but not least, this is caraway.
Okay.
Bye.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Avnish. I am going to tell the spices name in Tamil. Pattai, Yelakai, Jeeragam, Krambu, Natchathira Sombu, Malli Vidai. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I am Vyaswan Panda. Today I am going to tell names of some spices. This is bay leaf, this is zira, this is dry chili, this is cardamom, this is clove, this is coriander seed, this is anise, this is black pepper, this is cinnamon, this is mace, and this is sesame seed. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Blaswin Sebi. Going to say some spices name. This is bay leaf. This is cloves. This is cinnamon stick. This is black pepper. This is star anise. This is cardamom. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ghassan from class 3B. Today I am going to tell you about spices in Urdu. Darchini, long, zira, kali dal, kali mirch,
It's okay, don't pick it.
धनिया, rai. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. I am Hemant Patel. Today I am gonna say spices names in Hindi. Tejpatti, jeera, kali mirch, long, dalchini, elaichi. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ibrahim from class 3B. Today I am going to tell you about some spices. This is black seeds. This is black pepper. This is clove. This is cinnamon stick. This is ginger. This is cardamom. This is green chili. This is paprika. Thank you. Have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Karim Abdullah. Today I am going to say about spices. This is cinnamon. This is cardamom. This is ginger. This is clove. This is bay leaf. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ahmad going to say some spices name in Urdu. Ilachi, Zira, Dalchini, Long, Kali Mirch, Sukha Dhania. Thank you.
Good evening, friends and teachers. My name is Niro Soni. Today I will show you some spices from my mother's kitchen. This is called cardamom. This is black pepper. This is clove. This is cinnamon. This is dry red chili. This is bay leaves. This is cumin seeds. Thank you.
I am Saad Zair and I am going to tell you the names of spices. This is cloves. This is red chili. This is black pepper. This is cumin seeds. This is green chili. This is cardamom. This is black seeds. Bye bye.
Good evening. Today I am going to tell about example of spices. This is cumin. This is turmeric. This is chili powder. This is fennel seed. This is bay leaf. This is cinnamon. This is cardamom. This is cloves. This is carom seed. Thank you and have a nice day.
Start.
Good afternoon, sir. Name of some spices: cinnamon stick, clove, fennel, cardamom, bay leaf, star anise, peppercorn. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I am Tatwa Kharsancha. I am going to tell some spices in Hindi. This is dalchini. This is elaichi. This is long. This is kaju patti. This is kali mirch. This is another type of kali mirch. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. My name is Umar Ahmad. Today I am going to introduce you to some Indian spices. Okay. Now we start. The first one is what? Guess, friends. The first one is red chili, also known as lal mirch. Good. And now we move to the next one. And what is this, friends? This is fennel seeds. Good. It is also known as saunf. We jump to the next one, and the next one is, guess what is this? It is red chili flakes. Red chili flakes is also known as kuti hui lal mirch. And now we move to the next one, and the next one is what, friends? It is cumin seeds. Cumin seeds also known as zira. And now we move to the next one. Besides zira, what is it? Tell me, friends, what is it? Black seeds. Black seeds. Good. Very good. And you know, black seeds also, it is also known as kalonji. And beside kalonji, what is it, friends? What is it? You know? Yes, it is carom seeds. Yes, and carom seeds, also known as ajwain. Good, friends. And beside it, ajwain. Oh, wow! Very, very beautiful cloves. Cloves, also known as long. And beside long, what is it? Tell me, friends, what is it? Fenugreek leaves, also known as kasuri methi. It is also known as kasuri methi. And now, friends, the last one but least. And tell me, what is it? Coriander seeds. Coriander seeds, also known as sabut dhania. Thank you, friends. These are the spices I today introduced.
My name is Yahya. Yeah. I am from class 3. Sorry. I will talk about spices and I will say it in Arabic. Paprika, za'atar, heel, saffron, kurkum, ملح